Scorpio, welcome to my channel, and today we are doing your mid-month check-in. I did not do love readings this month because Scorpios, most of us are going through a global shutdown. A lot of us have lost their partners to this disease, to this pandemic, and also a lot of you have gone through breakups. So this is not a very good month to do love readings unless you're one of those lucky ones. In that case, you don't need a love reading. You are lucky. You're spending your time with your loved ones. All right. So Scorpio, let's see instead what is the energy that is working on you as the sun has entered Aries now, and we are in the last phase of this pandemic. Okay, things are going to go. There you are. I told you. You're entering a new cycle of your life, a new life. Okay, the world's card is here. So a new cycle of life is what you're entering, Scorpios, and things are restarting for you. Okay, so let's see what Tarot has to say. For some of you, this could also be going away from home once this everything opens up. Okay, a foreign tour. There you are, movement. Scorpio, you could be thinking of certain names from the past which made you happy. Can be a person, it can be, so in this lockdown, for some of you, you could have gone back and reached out to your ex, okay? But you're definitely thinking of how things were good when they were normal and how you spend time with your family, with your friends. You're reminiscing about the old times, all right? But you have to realize this is a new cycle of your life. For you, Scorpio, you have entered a new cycle, okay? And what is happening is gradually you are things, if there were issues in your workplace, in your personal life, things that took up your mind space, you're gradually reaching a acceptance of that. Either you're forgiving and moving on, or things are getting sorted out and you're moving on, but definitely a feeling of moving on with life. And this time you're very logical about the way you're moving on, because you're not moving on because somebody is pushing you to go. You're moving on because you want to go. That's the most logical thing to do. There's no point holding on to something from the past. It's no point. Only thing is, maybe you want to go towards something. You've left the past in your back and you want to target something new, and something that is practically possible. But only thing is, because of this lockdown and shutdown, there is a kind of uncertainty whether it'll happen, whether you'll be able to move, whether you'll be progressing in life, whether you'll be able to travel. Because for some of you, this could mean travel, as I see. So for some of you, this could be travel to a new city, and you're not able to do that. Maybe that city is quarantined, or maybe you're not able to, you work in an industry which is to do with travel, or you work in a role like sales, like tourism, where you have to travel and you're uncertain. You don't know whether you'll be able to resume or whether you'll be able to make a movement forward. What is stopping you, or what could be a challenge for you right now, is you're not able to get your wishes. You're not able to get your wishes fulfilled. You have all the ideas. You have moved on from the old way of thinking, old things that you used to do. But the progress or the result of the new things that you want, even if you're trying, is not paying off. So even if you're pushing hard, or even if you are trying to do things, this is your element. The Magician is more like the Jeshta Nakshatra, which is Scorpio. So this is about working as above, so below. So you're trying to get things or manifest things to your favor, but you're not able to do that because focus is lacking. King of Wands. It is the focus that is lacking, or it is the dedication that is lacking. You're not able to do what you want to do. That is what is happening. Even if the idea is very clear, even if you have all the knowledge, it's just the time. The time is controlling it. Okay. Now, what you have to do for that, Scorpio, first of all, focus on, make a wise choice. The Two of Wands is here. So make a wise choice what you really want and what needs your focus right now. Don't focus on things that cannot be done at this point of time. There's no point fighting it and getting frustrated and wasting your energy on it. Rather, focus on things that need to be done. Make a choice and stick to it. Also, the Four of Pentacles is here. So be wise with your expenses. Be wise with your investment. This is a very good time to invest. So spend more on investments. This came up in your finance reading too. For you this month, Scorpio, focus more on investments. You don't have to go out and spend it all right now. Right now is the time to invest. So keep them everything ready. Wait for the right time that's going to pay off. But this is not the right time. Even if you want to, you shouldn't right now. Okay. And also, think conservative. Don't take unnecessary risk this month. Just because to manifest your things, don't take risks. Just do the normal things, finish the work in hand, make a choice, stick with it, and rather, if you have surplus money or if you're thinking what to do with the money, instead of starting something or buying something, invest in something. Investments are going to be very good for you this month, Scorpio. What is coming towards you? You might have some mental loss. So that could mean there could be some petty fights with people, conflicts with people. So just avoid that. Somebody could be trying to control your freedom, or you could be controlling somebody's freedom because the devil is here. So this would mean that, some materialistic comforts, or, working out of fear. So don't do anything out of fear. Don't be so skeptical and do things out of fear, because you have the King of Pentacles. That means you have the Midas touch. You have the capability of making a lot of money coming towards you, but that will take its time. You have to wait till the Taurian season starts. But till then, don't fight with people, don't fight with yourself, don't have those conflicts, don't be don't crib, don't be like the crab, or don't be scared, and also don't be insecure, because I see a bit of insecurity and fights here. Insecurity is leading to fight, because I see you want to move ahead in life, I see you want to do things in life, but don't be in a hurry. If you're in a hurry, and so you will and because you will not be able to do it, so insecurities will set in, whether in a relationship, whether at the work front, whether in matters of money or home and foundation or relationship. These things will crop up, so you have to control them. You have all the capability to make a lot of money, but again, invest wisely. Invest. This is the time to make wise investments, because that is going to pay off. For some of you Scorpios, this can also mean marriage, especially if you're a Scorpio female, King of Pentacles. This could mean marriage, but for that, you need to, don't push it, okay? And don't force old relationships to happen in your favor, because if this happens, then this won't happen. So you have to come out of your insecurity. You have to come out and you have to let go. I know you're telling people, or you're trying to let go, but somewhere a bit of possessiveness also takes over. Don't be in your mind that what am I going to do if things don't, what if this new thing doesn't work out, then this old thing, should I release it? You have to release it, Scorpio, because this is a new life. So whatever right now will happen, everything new is going to happen. Even if it's an old person staying with you, has to change, or you have to change. Okay, so don't let insecurities crop in, and just check the urge to have petty fights, because there could be petty fights and conflicts with people. All right, so Scorpio, this was your mid-month check-in. Stay safe, stay indoors, stay positive, and I'll see you around with your May readings. Till then, bye.